Maybe look at Mika. You see Mika? She over there. Oh, they're all going over to her. I don't know if you can see. The sun is shining. Look at old big boy over there. Jack. Hey. Jack, come here. What are you guys doing over here? It's like, is this like the meeting over here? There's nothing going on over here. Hi, Snow. Say hi, Mom. Look at me. I'm Snow. Look at my blue eyes. He's so pretty, boy. Pretty girl. And who this crazy clown? Woo! Hi, Sophia. Pretty girl. Hi, Makala. Hey, good job, Makala. Miko. Mika. Hey, Bean. Yeah, you pretty. It's a pretty boy. He's a pretty girl. Oh, let me take out the zoom. You can go. He's a pretty. Hey. What's up, Blueberry? I see all the blueberry all over your face. Blueberry. 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 Blueberries. Blueberries. Look at all the crazy dogs. Hello. Taco love you. Come on, little twin boppers. There's Nico. Nico on the wall. Fell off and broke his balls. Nico. Hey. Hey, good boy. Hey, the pretty boy. You good little pretty boy. Yeah. Uh-oh.